Muted someone by mistake, here's how to bring them back to your feed in just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to unmute the muted profiles in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Threads app icon on your device to open it. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account and personalized settings. Look for the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it to open the menu with various options. Here, find the privacy option and tap on it. Then select the muted option. This section will list all the profiles you are muted, keeping them hidden from your feed. In the muted account section, you will see a list of accounts you have muted. You can scroll through the list to find the specific profile. Finally, tap on the unmute button. And now the account will no longer be muted. So this is how to unmute the muted profiles in Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.